Hi, my name is Patrick. This video is with 10 days to go. What should you do as far as CAT is concerned? Okay, so we'll be coming up with videos as to what to do, how to do. Idea is to get you prepared for the CAT. So till now, I'm assuming that you have worked hard. I mean, maybe you are not happy with your preparation, but you have worked hard. That's what it is. You read enough marks. Enough marks will depend from person to person. It could be 5 marks, it could be 10 marks, it could be 40 marks, whichever. You may not be happy with your score, but you're really prepared. Okay, you prepared for the examination well. No scores may not be like up to a mark, but you will. I mean, let me be very frank. Almost no one is prepared happy with their marks. I mean, technically no one. I've known people who have been scoring like top 5 ranks in this All India mock, but still were not happy, considering there are people ahead of them. So no one is happy with your marks, no matter your last or first. But yes, but you're prepared. The idea is you've given your best efforts, and that is what is important. What does CAT? Now let's try to understand what does CAT test you on. Because if I want to get prepared mentally, I need to also know what does it test you on. It tests you on your thinking ability. Because understand, almost every question that comes in the exam is new. It doesn't test you on your knowledge or your rote learning, because it's not rote learning. It is new question. It makes you think at that point of time. If you're not able to think at that point of time, it will be very difficult to solve. So your thinking ability is what is checked. Taking decisions under stress, because when you're writing the CAT exam, you're under stress. You need to perform, and that taking decisions as to what to solve, what not to solve, which strategy to use, how to solve a question, all that decision under stress becomes extremely important. It's all managerial decisions. So, what we talk about managerial skills. Ability to comprehend what you read. As a manager, you are going to read a lot. You need to comprehend things fast. If you have to take decisions quickly, you have to read a lot. So ability to comprehend what you, all these are all management skills. So basically CAT tests management skills. Right? It doesn't check you on rote learning, doesn't check you on anything. So you need to be prepared for those activities. Which means what will help you improve your score? Don't think preparation, the more you prepare, your score will improve a lot. Unlikely. You think about it. How much have you prepared? How much your scores have improved? Don't think that you will prepare a lot, your score will improve. Because last 10 days you don't have enough time. But what can improve your score is being relaxed. And having a proper mindset will make a bigger difference in your CAT scores than preparation in the next 10 days. If you're in the right frame of mind, you'll be able to do really well in the examination. And that is what you need to do in the last 10 days. Focus on it. But yeah, you need to prepare. So what else you need to do? My suggestion is make a proper schedule. And the schedule could involve the following thing. Read. As I said, one of the qualities checked in the CAT paper is the ability to comprehend what you read. So read what you like, read articles from diverse topics, read editorials, get used to reading. Reading becomes more important as and when you come closer to the examination. So spend time on reading. Also DLR sets. Also I've seen that the more DLR sets you solve closer to the exam, the better it is. So DLR sets should be solved regularly, because that remains in the back of your mind and that helps you when you're solving in the exam. So regular sort of set of DLR sets. A puzzle could helps you think. Little bit of calculations could help, 10 minutes or so. Practice a few maths questions just to keep in touch. I mean, you don't have to do proper maths preparation, but a little bit of maths preparation would do. Practice maybe jumble para or man out and revise past form. This is what preparation you should do as far as a prep is concerned. I mean, what you need to do. I mean, you can look at this. You don't have to do everything or all of this. What I would recommend is reading is the more very important, and do a little bit of realism. These two are important. From the rest, you can then practice, revise, and revising past marks I would consider as important. Rest, you can decide what you want to do, what you don't want to do. Also, try to get more into activities that will divert your mind. So, something that you enjoy doing. I mean, anything that you look at it. You like technology, read more about technology. Okay, any activities that will help you relax. Could be going out, could be exercising. Get involved in those so that your mind gets diverted from CAT and you get involved in activities that you enjoy doing. Right? Try doing all this. I'm sure this will help you as far as the exam is concerned. Right? All the best.